In today's video, I'll be mentioning the most common topics in ICAN financial reporting. And financial reporting is a course and skills level. I've actually passed through skills level. So the first one is group account. Group account is very, very important. Group account will always come out. So under group account, we have the consolidated statement of profit or loss, statement of financial position, and the likes. There are a lot of calculations there, but also today to ask like the written aspect. The next one, we have the accounting standards. We know we have a lot of accounting standards, and recently IAS1, that IAS1, make sure you know your IAS1. IAS1 will come out, and it used to come out in number 1 mostly. So when IAS1 comes out, 30 marks question, so make sure you know IAS1. IAS 16 PPE, IAS 36, IFRS 5, IAS 33, IAS 23, IAS 12, IAS 40, IAS 38, IAS 37, IAS 8. That IAS 8 too, accounting policies and changes in accounting estimate, is actually very, very important. Your cash flow statement, it didn't come out last diet, so I'm thinking it's going to come out this diet. So cash flow, your indirect and your direct, though they mostly asked indirect method, but no both. And also cash flow statement also still used to come out in IPSAS, in what's it called, public sector. Ratio interpretation. So this ratio interpretation is like a general topic for all the courses in skills level. You have to know ratio interpretation. It used to come out, and the last time it came out as number 3, and the calculation part that was on it was just 5 marks. It was 5 marks. They asked us to compute 5 different things for 4 different years, and they gave 5 marks to it, and the rest was just written, but still it was under interpretation, ratio interpretation. Then the next one, we have the regulatory framework, the conceptual framework, all those written parts, ethics, sustainability reporting, blockchain technology, and the likes. There are questions that are common in that section C. That section C of your ICAN FR. Those are the topics that used to come out in that part. And once you know them, it's actually very, very easy to get all the 50 marks from there. Disclaimer: all the topics I'm mentioning above are common topics, and you might be looking at that I'm mentioning all topics. The main reason why I'm mentioning almost all topics is because ICAN can shock you. Yeah, so I don't want you to just focus on something and leave the rest. No, I did not give you all the topics in the ICAN syllabus. I didn't mention all. So focus on the one I mentioned first, but then don't neglect the rest. Don't neglect the rest, because I'm not ICAN and I can't guarantee you that this is what will come out. So don't neglect the rest. Try to cover the whole syllabus. Start reading early. This is very, very important. Thank you very much.